Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Mega Mind. We have a question on the board. This is median in mathematics. In median we have mean, mode, and we have mean, median, and mode. So we are going to look at median today. In my next video, I'll teach you guys. We are going to teach you guys on how to solve mean and mode questions, and other simultaneous equation questions like majorly on grade 5 topics. So when you have a math problem like this median question, we have to look for the median. Median means simply means middle number. So what is the middle number in this question? What you need to do to get the middle number, you have to rearrange these numbers in ascending order. So if we are rearranging these numbers, first of all, we have 2 here. So we are put your 2 first. We have 3, we have 4, we have 5, we have 6, we have 7, then and 9. So we have successfully rearranged this in ascending order. So let's count it to get to know we are not mistaken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all the numbers are 7. So now to get the middle numbers, we are going to be separating the numbers from left and right. So this like this, you separate the numbers like this. 3, 3. So we have 3 on the left and 3 on the right. So the middle number is 5. So our median is equals to what? 5. That's how to solve for median. This is our correct answer. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you for watching.